Guys, what's going on? So in today's video, I want to talk about a product that you might use in an audio setup for, say, your Jeep Compass, like this one, your Dodge Ram, your GMC, or your Toyotas. So the reason I'm making this video is because I plan to install some subs in a 4Runner I own, a 21, and this is for a customer for a 2019 Jeep Compass, and it came in already. So I just want to show to y'all the harness and everything, and for $30 why it's such a good deal. So I'll leave links in the description to this product. Here is, I believe, 15-foot or 20-foot of remote wire. You also have an inline fuse adapter. So you take out a fuse, plug it in, and this will be vehicle specific usually. And also what you plug it into, whether it's an ignition, radio, just depends. This is the heart of it. It's a line-out converter, LOC. Kicker makes a really good one. This one happens to be a generic one that Moto car has. So that's what they use. It's soldered very nicely and heat shrunk onto this harness. This is just a little adapter harness. You take the factory radio out, you unplug it, plug this into the factory harness, and plug this into the factory radio. Then you'll adjust your levels with the left and right. You want to equal these out. Not hard to do. You'll keep the radio out once you hook up the amplifiers and everything and tune it a little bit with this. Depending on what your setup is, 12s, 10s, 8s, 15s. So for $30, this is a really hard deal to beat. You're going to have like $5 in getting these parts depending on where you get them. Sometimes, like if you go to the store, it could be $10. This adapter right here, I don't know how much this would cost. If you sourced it yourself, you could probably make it for like a couple bucks. But if you bought it from a company, you're looking probably $10 to $20. And this is going to be anywhere from $10 to $30, depending on which one you buy. So realistically, this is a pretty good deal. It's already done. All you do is plug and play. So I have to say, this company definitely is my recommendations for simplicity. And the kit is, for $30, I can't beat it. And that's free shipping. Obviously, price is going to vary depending on the vehicle, but for Lexus and Jeep, it's about the same. So thanks for watching, guys. Also, before I go, if you don't like this lower end line out converter, you could upgrade this with this harness to a higher one down the road, or even add like an audio controller. But I don't know, for the price, just adding some basic subs, you're not doing a sound quality system like a high end, you're gonna be fine. If you're just adding some bump to the vehicle, or you're just trying to add some more amplifiers, this is a perfect way to go. So thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, links in the description below. This is posted in the Toyota 4Runner, 5th gen Toyota 4Runner group. They did verify that this will work with the 5th gen, not this harness, but the one on their website. But you cannot have the JBL system. As far as Dodges go, you can't have any of the Alpine or any of the Harman and Kardon systems. So you can have the basic Alpine and stuff like that, all the way up to like the 4-point whatever radio, the 8-inch. So it explains it on their website with models and stuff like that. Just if you're a Toyota, no JBL systems will work with this, just because they have built-in amplifiers and stuff like that.